The journey into the dynamic world of AI product management begins with a fundamental understanding of artificial intelligence and machine learning, pivotal concepts that serve as the backbone for any aspiring product manager in this field. Imagine standing at the threshold of a vast landscape where the intricate workings of algorithms and data intertwine to create innovative solutions that can change industries. Here, mastering the basics is not just beneficial, it is essential. The distinction between supervised and unsupervised learning, for example, is crucial. In supervised learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data, learning to predict outcomes based on input features. In contrast, unsupervised learning uncovers hidden patterns in data without explicit instructions. These foundational concepts form the bedrock upon which more complex ideas like deep learning and natural language processing are built, each contributing to the development of sophisticated AI-driven products. As one delves deeper into the realm of AI product management, the challenge becomes balancing technical feasibility with business impact. This is where the art of product management truly comes into play. Understanding the AI product lifecycle is vital. It encompasses everything from ideation and defining product requirements to creating effective roadmaps that guide development. The roadmap is not merely a list of tasks. It is a strategic document that outlines the vision for the product, aligning stakeholders and ensuring that the team remains focused on delivering value. It is here that the product manager must excel at prioritizing features, considering user needs while also assessing technical constraints. This balancing act requires a keen awareness of AI ethics and explainability, as the implications of AI decisions can have profound impacts on users and society at large. In this complex landscape, AI-specific metrics become the compass guiding product managers. Understanding how to measure success through metrics tailored to AI applications, such as precision, recall, and F1 score, is crucial. These metrics help gauge the effectiveness of models and ensure that the product meets its intended goals. Additionally, mastering the principles behind A/B testing enhances a product manager's ability to make data-driven decisions. By comparing two versions of a product, they can determine which performs better, optimizing features based on real user feedback. Gaining technical and industry knowledge is paramount as AI applications penetrate various sectors, including healthcare, finance, retail, and autonomous systems. Each industry presents unique challenges and opportunities, and a successful AI product manager must be adaptable, understanding the specific nuances that influence product development. Familiarity with cloud platforms and MLOps, machine learning operations, becomes indispensable for effective model deployment and integration. These tools and frameworks enable seamless collaboration between data scientists and engineers, ensuring that models are not only built, but also deployed in a way that maximizes their impact. Building experience through ANML side projects and internships is a critical step for aspiring professionals. These projects serve as a playground where one can apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problems, showcasing skills and creativity. Contributing to open-source projects not only enhances technical abilities, but also fosters a sense of community and collaboration. Networking with AI thought leaders and engaging in discussions at conferences enriches understanding and opens doors for future opportunities. These interactions often lead to mentorship, invaluable insights, and even job offers, creating a robust professional network that can support career growth. The career progression in AI product management is structured yet fluid, starting from entry-level positions where one learns the ropes, gradually evolving into mid-level roles that require more responsibility and strategic thinking. In these positions, individuals take ownership of AI roadmaps, driving innovation across product lines and influencing the direction of AI initiatives. As they gain experience, they become adept at navigating the complexities of cross-functional teams, ensuring that everyone, from engineers to marketers, is aligned with the product vision. At the executive level, leaders in AI product management define company-wide AI strategies, influencing industry trends and shaping the future of technology. They are not just product managers, they are visionaries who understand the transformative power of AI and leverage it to create competitive advantages. These leaders must possess a unique blend of technical acumen, business savvy, and user-centric thinking, enabling them to make informed decisions that resonate with both stakeholders and customers. To aid in their development, a wealth of resources is available for aspiring AI product managers. Insightful books provide deep dives into both technical concepts and product management methodologies. Specialized courses, often offered by leading universities and online platforms, enhance knowledge and skills, covering everything from machine learning algorithms to agile product development. These resources empower individuals to stay current in a rapidly evolving field, ensuring they remain relevant and competitive. As the narrative unfolds, it becomes clear that success in AI product management is not merely about technical prowess or business strategy. It is about a holistic approach that integrates these elements with a profound understanding of user needs. The journey is indeed challenging, filled with learning curves and obstacles, but it is equally rewarding. Each project completed, each product launched, and each user satisfied serves as a testament to the impact that well-managed AI products can have on society. In this ever-evolving landscape of technology, the role of AI product managers will only grow in importance. They will be at the forefront of innovation, shaping the products that will define the future. For those who embark on this journey, the road may be long, but the destination is filled with opportunities to create meaningful change, drive business success, and enhance the user experience in ways previously thought impossible. The narrative of AI product management is one of continuous learning, adaptation, and innovation, a testament to the power of human ingenuity harnessed through technology.